Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Swastiastu, Shalom, Namo Buddhaya, Salam Kebajikan. Halo, good morning. My name is Lu Fitrisari with NPM 22411072. I am from Management Class 22B. I will explain the material about scope of strategy management. Definition of management strategy. Management strategy is a complex process that involves planning, implementing, and monitoring activities to achieve the long-term goal of an organization. The main objective of management strategy are to improve operational effectiveness, increase company value, and ensure that the organization remains competitive in a dynamic industry. Next, key element of the scope of strategy management: external environmental analysis, factor considers opportunities, situation that can prove a positive benefits to the company, such as market trend, regulatory change, or unmet needs in the industry. Threats, factor that can decrease the company operation of success, including inventory, composition, technology change, or change in customer preference. Next, pestle analysis used to identify macroeconomic and environmental factors that can affect the company. It helps the company anticipate potential environmental changes. Next, internal environmental analysis. Component refer with strengths, the unique resource, capabilities, or asset that a company possesses that give a competitive advantage. Example include a high quality term, the best technology, or a strong brand. 2. Weakness. Internal factor that may hinder a company performa. Example include inefficient process, resource constraint, or lack of innovation. 3. SWOT analysis. Combines external and internal environmental analysis to product a comprehensive picture of company's position. This helps in formulation strategy that are appropriate to the environment. Strategy formulation. After understanding the external and internal environment, organization must formulate their strategies. This involves selection long-term goals, identify the key steps and need to achieve those goals, and developing detailed action plans. Next, strategy implementation. Implementation is the step where the organization takes concrete steps to realize the formula strategy. This involves resource allocation, organization structure arrangement, policy development, and implementation monitoring. Next, measure and evaluation. Strategy management also includes measure performance and evaluating the result of the strategy. Organization need to have appropriate metric and performance indicator to monitor the program towards strategy goal and identity change that may be needs in the strategy. Next, definition making. Strategy management involves making critical decisions regarding resource allocation, investment, product development, and more. The decision must be based on careful analysis and strategy consideration. Change and adaptation. The business environment is constantly changing, and strategy management also includes the ability to adapt to this change. This may involve referring existing strategies or developing new strategy in response to change market or environmental condition. Communication and coordination. Effective komunikasi and coordination across the organization are essential in strategy management. All members of the organization must understand the strategy, objective, and how their roles contribute to achieve those objectives. Risk management. Strategy management also involves risk management, namely identifying potential risks that call hinder the activities of strategy, objective, and development strategy to manage or reduce those risks. Wieland and Hanger, Strategy Management and Business Policy, Messexas 1995. Strategy management is a series of decisions and actions that determines the company performance in the long term. It includes recording and analysis the environment, formulating strategy, implementing strategy, and conducting evaluation and control. 1. Strategy management is realized in the form of large-scale planning, covering all components in an organization environment within thought into a strategic plan or RENSTRA, which is described as operational planning, which is then also described in the form an annual work program and project. 2. RESTA is oriented toward the future scope. 3. Vision, mission, selection of strategy, the product master strategy, and long-term organizational strategy. Objectives are referenced in formulation strategy plans, but in the technique way of placing them as within top management decision, all of these reference and contrast in them. Next, number 4, RESTRA is described as an operational plan which include operational program, include project with medium-term target as a top management decision. Number 5, determination of the RESTA and operational plan must involve top management because its nature is very basic or principal in implementing the entire mission of the organization. Organization to realize maintaining and development medium-term existence, including its long-term. And number 7, implementation of strategy in program, including project to activity their responsive target in carried out of other management function which include organizing, implementing, budgeting, and controlling. Okay guys, in general, this management is very different from other where strategy management always respond to the dynamic of environmental change so that it can affect the implementation of management itself and strive to realize the goal that have been set in line with this. The following will show the characteristics of strategy management. Number 1, strategy management is long term. Number 2, strategy management is dynamic. 3, strategy management is something that is interacts with operational management. 4, strategy management needs to be driven by element at the top level of manager. Number 5, strategy management is oriented and approach the future. and next, strategy management must always be strengthened and supported in time implementary by all available economic resources in the area of economic globalization to deal with it. Activity in business are not only limited by the scope of national borders, so that for the level of environment change and dynamic that will differentiate or inherency affect management and work life. Then the company leader themselves must be able to respond to it by making adjustments that are full of polish. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Om Santi 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 Om. Thank you and see you in the next video.